Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ring light iPad is probably one of the most essential tools for content creators, remote workers, and anyone looking to elevate their video calls or social media presence, transforming ordinary setups into professional studios with perfect lighting and stable device support, ensuring you always look your best and capture high-quality footage effortlessly. Number 5. 13 RGB Selfie Ring Light Kit. Discover the ultimate lighting solution for all your creative needs. This versatile kit is perfect for makeup, photography, videos, vlogging, and TikTok, ensuring you always look your best. Experience a dynamic audiovisual feast with its unique music follow mode. It changes color and frequency to the rhythm of your music, adding excitement and inspiration to your content. Choose from 3 conventional CCT modes and 48 vibrant RGB color modes. With 12 levels of brightness adjustment, you can achieve the perfect lighting to complement any skin tone or environment. Its adjustable tripod extends up to 76 inches, offering both flexibility and stability. It even includes a mini tripod for desktop use, making it suitable for any setting. Control it effortlessly with the included Bluetooth remote, compatible with iOS and Android devices. Powering it is simple too, just plug it into any USB port like a power bank or laptop. It comes with 2 360-degree rotatable phone holders, allowing you to capture the perfect shot from any perspective. The tripod head also rotates, giving you complete freedom to set your angles precisely. What we like? If you're a content creator looking to add a unique flair to your videos, this is for you. Its music follow mode syncs colors to your audio, creating an immersive experience. If you want to stand out with vibrant, dynamic visuals, this light will elevate your content. What people say. Number 4. Professional 18-inch Bicolor Ring Light. Discover the professional 18-inch ring light, designed to perfectly illuminate your content. Its large diameter and powerful 60W output ensure every detail is captured with stunning clarity. You can easily adjust its brightness from 0% to 100% for limitless creative control. This LED ring light is incredibly lightweight, weighing only about 5.5 pounds. It can be powered by 2 lithium batteries, making it ideal for on-location shoots. Its compact design also means it takes up minimal space, perfect for any studio or salon. Built with a strong aluminum alloy stand, it offers exceptional stability at any angle. You never have to worry about it falling during your sessions. It can be powered by either portable lithium batteries or directly by electric current, providing flexible power options. Experience its inbuilt bicolor temperature, ranging from 3000 K to 5800 K. This allows you to achieve warm orange tones or cool daylight effects. It helps even out skin tones for glamorous photos and videos, mimicking natural light in any condition. This versatile light comes with 3 types of holders to accommodate all your devices. There's an iPad holder for tablets, a 360-degree rotating phone holder, and a camera holder for horizontal adjustments. It ensures you can use your preferred device effortlessly. What we like? For those who need serious illumination, this large 18-inch light delivers powerful 60W output. It provides broad, even lighting perfect for professional makeup artists or tattoo artists. If you require extensive coverage and high-quality, adjustable light for detailed work, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Elitehood 12-foot ring light with tripod stand. This upgraded 12-inch ring light features a lightweight aluminum alloy shell and 168 SMD LEDs. It delivers professional quality, shadow-free illumination for all your needs, from makeup to video recording. With a maximum working power of 15W, it offers 3 color modes, daylight, warm, or white, and 10 brightness intensity levels. You can easily achieve your desired lighting for any situation. It includes both a phone holder and a tablet holder, allowing you to use 2 devices simultaneously. This makes it compatible with most iPads and smartphones, perfect for various content creation. The high-end aluminum alloy tripod is foldable, balancing portability, stability, and height. It extends from 16 to 60 inches, accommodating different user heights for both standing and sitting use. It's USB-powered, working with most devices that have a USB port, like power banks or laptops. 4 buttons on the cord allow easy control, and a wireless remote shutter lets you capture photos or videos from a distance. You receive the 12-inch LED ring light, a tripod stand, a Bluetooth remote shutter, a carry bag, flexible phone and tablet holders, and a user guide. Everything you need is in one box. What we like. This light is incredibly versatile, featuring holders for both your iPad and phone simultaneously. Its tall tripod extends up to 72 inches, making it suitable for various setups. If you often use multiple devices for your content or need a flexible setup for different heights, this option offers great convenience. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON for extraction. Number 2. Weilisi 10.5 Ring Light Kit with 69 Tripod. Experience superior illumination with its upgraded round panel, offering a larger light-emitting surface than standard ring lights. This design ensures comprehensive and even lighting for all your needs. Its head rotates 360 degrees and adjusts 180 degrees up or down, providing ultra-bright fill light from any angle. You can easily achieve the perfect lighting effect for any situation. This device offers 10 levels of brightness and 3 color temperatures, from warm to cold. It ensures you always get the proper brightness and mood, day or night. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, its adjustable stand extends from 39 to 69 inches. This allows it to meet various height requirements, providing stable support for your setup. Capture perfect moments with its wireless remote control, working up to 30 feet away. The flexible phone holder rotates 360 degrees and fits most smartphones, making it incredibly versatile. Whether for video recording, live streaming, makeup, or virtual meetings, it's designed for diverse applications. This kit enhances your appearance and content quality in any setting. What we like. Experience superior lighting with its innovative full-screen design, providing a larger, softer, and more uniform light-emitting surface. This ensures your skin looks natural and features are beautifully highlighted without harsh shadows. If you prioritize flattering, eye-friendly illumination for your close-ups and video calls, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. Number 1. GearLight Radiance Selfie Ring Light. This wireless selfie light ring is your simple solution for perfect lighting. It ensures you're well lit for all your video calls, social media content, and photos. Its wide clip securely attaches to almost any device, from your phone to your computer monitor. You can easily mount it to fit your setup. Equipped with a high-capacity 600 mAh battery, it provides up to 2 hours of bright light on a single charge. Plus, the included USB cable allows for continuous power when needed. With 10 adjustable levels and 3 light modes, you can customize your illumination. This versatile tool enhances your image, reduces shadows, and helps you always look your best. Its compact size and easy clip-on design make it incredibly convenient for travel or daily use. You can achieve professional lighting wherever and whenever you need it. What we like. For ultimate portability and on-the-go lighting, this compact clip-on light is perfect. It's rechargeable and easily attaches to your phone, laptop, or tablet, making it ideal for travel or quick setups. If you need a discreet, convenient, and always-ready light source for impromptu videos or calls, this small but mighty device is your best friend. What people say. No positive product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points as the source was empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.